Welcome to Evan Speaks English. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Alex. My name is Alex.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from New York. I'm from New York.
Do you live in the city or the suburbs? Do you live in the city or the suburbs?
I live in the city. I live in the city.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I'm a software developer. I'm a software developer.
How long have you been working in this field? How long have you been working in this field?
For about 5 years now. For about 5 years now.
Do you enjoy your job? Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love coding and solving problems. Yes, I love coding and solving problems.
What's the best part of your job? What's the best part of your job?
The creativity and continuous learning. The creativity and continuous learning.
Do you work from home or at an office? Do you work from home or at an office?
I work remotely from home. I work remotely from home.
Do you like working remotely? Do you like working remotely?
Yes, it gives me flexibility. Yes, it gives me flexibility.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team? Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I enjoy both, but teamwork is great for learning. I enjoy both, but teamwork is great for learning.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I like reading, traveling, and playing video games. I like reading, traveling, and playing video games.
What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read?
Mostly fiction and self-help books. Mostly fiction and self-help books.
Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies. Yes, I love watching movies.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
Inception is one of my favorites. Inception is one of my favorites.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day. Yes, I listen to music every day.
What's your favorite music genre? What's your favorite music genre?
I enjoy rock and classical music. I enjoy rock and classical music.
Can you play any musical instruments? Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar. Yes, I can play the guitar.
When did you learn to play guitar? When did you learn to play guitar?
I started learning when I was a teenager. I started learning when I was a teenager.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places. Yes, I love visiting new places.
What's your favorite travel destination? What's your favorite travel destination?
Japan is my favorite so far. Japan is my favorite so far.
Have you ever been to Europe? Have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I visited France and Italy. Yes, I visited France and Italy.
Which city in Europe did you like the most? Which city in Europe did you like the most?
Paris was amazing. Paris was amazing.
Do you like trying new foods? Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I enjoy trying different cuisines. Yes, I enjoy trying different cuisines.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I love sushi. I love sushi.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook a few dishes. Yes, I can cook a few dishes.
What's your favorite dish to cook? What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta. I like making pasta.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to work out 3 times a week. Yes, I try to work out 3 times a week.
What kind of workouts do you do? What kind of workouts do you do?
Mostly weightlifting and running. Mostly weightlifting and running.
Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball sometimes. Yes, I play basketball sometimes.
Who is your favorite athlete? Who is your favorite athlete?
I admire Michael Jordan. I admire Michael Jordan.
Do you follow any sports teams? Do you follow any sports teams?
Yes, I support the Lakers. Yes, I support the Lakers.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name? What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. His name is Max.
How old is he? How old is he?
He's 5 years old. He's 5 years old.
Do you like cats? Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats too. Yes, I like cats too.
Have you ever had a cat? Have you ever had a cat?
Yes, I had one when I was younger. Yes, I had one when I was younger.
Do you enjoy spending time outdoors? Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?
Yes, I love hiking and camping. Yes, I love hiking and camping.
What's the best place you've gone hiking? What's the best place you've gone hiking?
The Grand Canyon was incredible. The Grand Canyon was incredible.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches? Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I prefer mountains. I prefer mountains.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a night owl. I'm definitely a night owl.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I can't start my day without it. Yes, I can't start my day without it.
How many cups of coffee do you drink a day? How many cups of coffee do you drink a day?
Usually 2 cups. Usually 2 cups.
Do you like tea? Do you like tea?
Yes, especially green tea. Yes, especially green tea.
Do you prefer summer or winter? Do you prefer summer or winter?
I like winter more. I like winter more.
What's your dream job? What's your dream job?
To be a travel photographer. To be a travel photographer.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be? If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
Somewhere near the mountains. Somewhere near the mountains.
Do you believe in luck? Do you believe in luck?
I think hard work creates luck. I think hard work creates luck.